Hello mga baby loves ko, kamusta kayo lahat dyan? Today is Saturday, day off natin, and I did not vlog outside guys kasi sobrang daming tao, and pag may anak ka, hirap na rin ako mag-vlog sa labas. Unless, pag talagang labanan mo yung struggle guys, talaga struggle, as in nakakaloka. But anyway, I'll share ko sa inyo guys yung nabili natin sa Kmart. Very, very happy. Mag-invest tayo ng mga gamit sa bahay, like ayusin natin yung living room, guys.
Mom!
Yeah.
Can you get my money box?
And?
Please.
Tell the people that you've been helping mommy and then you're getting like point from mommy and daddy and papi. Yeah?
No, I don't want to.
Oh, okay. Well, very lucky.
Do I almost have a lot?
Yeah, almost. Alright, mga loves ko.
So I
OTD
can
for
buy
today.
my own?
OTD for today. From Glason. And my pants from Mango in the Philippines.
Mango.
Mango. Binili ko nung ano natin. Mango.
Mango.
But I love this one, guys. Sobrang ganda. Yan. Ayusin natin ang bahay natin. So, this one is flower, okay? It's a fake flower. Ang ganda, guys. $6.50 lang sa Kmart. No? Isa niya.
Mom! You said this is for me.
And, mga baby loves ko, another one. It's the vase. Ayan. Try. So guys, this is only $15 in Kmart, diba? So ayusin natin ang ating bahay. Babalik pa tayo dun next week kasi bibili ako ng yung center table ng para sa sala.
Mom, I didn't taste
Basta guys, ayusin natin ang ating bahay.
I didn't taste
Oh, someone is calling.
Mom!
Who is calling, mommy? Oh! Hi, dear!
Mommy, who is it?
Dear, I just got...
Mom! Who is it?
Where are you?
Mom!
Oh my God, dear! You call me so late. You wanna come to my house?
Mom, who is it?
Be careful. Don't break it.
But I didn't tell you something, Mom.
Yeah.
Mommy, Mom, who is it? Mom!
Try to make, alright. Guys, ang ganda nun, di ba? And, dito yung tagal ko nang gustong bilhin, guys. Tagal ko nang gustong bilhin to. Ta-da! Ang saya ko! Grabe, ito guys, $15 lang din sa Kmart. Ayan, 15. Ang ganda, no? Pang-display natin yan. Di ko alam kung saan ko sila ilalagay. Pero may plano na ako, guys, na ayusin yung living room. Pa-konti-konti. Parang, I'm gonna do something like, pa-konti-konti lang. Dito, oh, sa may panta dito. Basta, and then, ito naman, nasa ano lang to, $5. Kmart din. 5 o 9. And another one, mga bebe loves ko. Hooray! Ayan, ganda, diba? Nagpa-nails pala tayo di isang araw. SNS, guys. Ayan, pa-nails tayo. Nag-pamper tayo di isang araw. And this one, mga bebe ko. Ito naman, $7 lang. Okay? And then, ito naman, $6.50 sa my dollar shop. Ilalagay ko yan doon sa center table. O next sa aking ayusin na mga area. And then, ito naman, $3 lang din sa Kmart. So cute. Ilalagay ko naman ito sa bathroom o dito sa my kitchen area. And then, bumili ako ng kandila para ilalagay ko doon sa dito. Ito naman is nasa $6 din. Sa loob. Yung malaki sana, pero okay na yan. Pang-display lang ba? And then, ano pa yung nabili natin? And a birthday card for Sister Hannah. Sister ni Kathleen. Ayan. And doon naman sa house, naman, mga bebe ko, grabe. Ito, $1 lang for sandwich or cheese or anything sa lunchbox ni Kathleen.
Anything?
Ito naman, $5.
Sandwich or cheese
Ayan,
or anything?
$5 na lang to from $17.
Ito,
$1 kasi grabe yung sale nila at the moment. Very, very cheap. Ito, $5 tatlo. Gusto kong bumalik para kumuha pa ng extra. Tea towels. This is from $20. Naging $5 na lang siya. And ito naman, $1 each tea towels for Christmas. $1 each. Very cheap na lang siya. And this one is, I think this one $5. It is the Headache reusable stainless steel straws. Ayan, mga bebe ko. Ayan, kasi pag gagawa ako ng mga smoothie ni Kathleen, ganyan, eh meron tayong reusable na straw, stainless steel, hindi tayo gagamit ng plastic. No? And then, I've been to, ito naman, thin slice bread. And from Woolworths, lunch box for Kathleen. And then, we've got rice. Na hindi naman niya kinain. And, we've got strawberries for Kathleen's school. And we've got mango because Kathleen loves mangoes. And Kathleen got blueberries. And 5 yogurt from Monday to Friday.
We don't got 5 yogurts.
And baked cheese in a biscuit alive with flavored
Mom!
loaded cheese. Ayan, sa kanyang crunch and sip.
Mom, can I try this?
Yeah. And that one as well. For dessert,
Mom,
digestive biscuit, guys.
Mom, can I try it?
Okay. Do you want to try this one, okay?
I want to try this one.
Okay.
I'm going to open it.
Drumstick, para i-air fry natin or fry natin with breading mix with olive oil for Kathleen's dinner. Sometimes nagdaganyan ako. And magsisinigang tayo tonight for dinner. Kanina guys, kumain ako ng tom yum fried rice sa Thai shop, sa Thai restaurant, doon sa may food court. Sobrang gutom tayo kanina. So nawala yung sakit ng ulo natin. Because tayo guys, sobrang stress natin sa work. Like, sobrang busy, kakapagod. And of course, hindi lang yung work eh. May anak ka na inaalagaan. And then tapos, ayan guys, best ngayon, maglalaba tayo, magsampay. Yung washing ko, hindi ko pa siya nasampay sa labas. Pero yung first load, nasampay ko na. So, but I'm very happy sa ating nabili. Mga bebe ko, really happy. Like, ito talagang kasiyahan ko guys. This time, mag-invest tayo sa gamit na bahay. So, may plano ako, mga bebe ko, yung dito na, yung dyan, ano ko yan. Lagyan ko ng parang, may nakita kasi ako sa Kmart. So, bibilihin ko yun. And then, bibilin ko rin yung para ilalagay ko sa gitna dyan for center table. Basta may plano ako ayusin tong lounge. So, nasimulan na natin siya sa mga ganito guys. Wait. Kaya makamakita yung. Ayan. Nasimulan na natin sa mga, I'm very excited mga bebe ko, diba? So cute. Okay guys. Ayan na. First decoration sa ating corner sa bahay, mga bebe ko. And ito, hindi yan permanent dyan because I'm gonna put that somewhere talaga na I'm gonna update you guys, but this is so far so good. Yan yung ating napamili for today. Very pretty. I'm very happy guys. Ayusin natin ang bahay talaga, but I'm so proud.